Hello dear students, in this session we will start casting. Let's start with the definition of casting. Casting is a manufacturing process by which a liquid material is usually poured into a mold which contains a hollow cavity of the desired shape and then allowed to solidify. Mark the star point. Any complex shape that is difficult to manufacture by any other method can easily be manufactured by casting. Basic steps in casting. There are four basic steps in casting: melting, pouring, solidifying and removing. First is melting. Melt the metal. Then second, pour the molten metal into a previously made mold which will give the shape for the part. Third is allowing the molten metal to cool and solidify in the mold. And then finally we will remove the solidified component from the mold. We will clean it and then again subject it for further treatment like machining or something. Now pattern. Pattern is a replica of the final product with some modifications. It is similar to the final product but with some modifications, and these modifications are called allowances. There are 5 allowances that are provided to the pattern: shrinkage allowance, draft allowance, machining allowance, distortion allowance and wrapping allowance. With the help of pattern we create the mold cavity, and in the mold cavity we pour the molten metal, and then after solidifying we remove our main product. What are the characteristics of pattern materials? First is it should be easily worked, shaped and joined. It means we can easily cut it, we can easily machine it so that we can provide allowances on this. Second is it should be light in weight. Third is it should be strong, hard and durable. Fourth, it should be resistant to wear, abrasion and corrosion. Fifth, it should be easily available and at low cost. Generally the pattern material used are wood, plastic, metal wax, etc. Now molding. Molding is the process of manufacturing by shaping liquid or pliable raw material using a rigid frame called mold. Pliable material means that material that are easily bent, that are flexible. Generally molding is similar to casting, but molding is used for manufacturing the plastic materials and casting is used for manufacturing metallic materials. Advantages of casting. The shapes that are very complex and difficult to manufacture by other process can be easily manufactured by casting. So complex shape can be manufactured by casting. Second is parts that are hollow sections, hollow cavities can easily be casted. Third is very large parts that are difficult to machine that can be easily manufactured by casting. And fourth is intricate shaping of metals that are difficult to machine, means the shape that are difficult to machine that can easily be manufactured by casting process. Classification of casting. On the basis of different process of molding or casting, the casting can be classified in different categories. First one is conventional molding process. There are different types of conventional molding process. First one is green sand molding or casting, dry sand casting, plastless casting. Second is chemical sand molding process. There are different types of chemical sand molding process: shell molding, sodium silicate molding, no bake molding. Third one is pressure mold process, in which gravity die casting and pressure die casting. Pressure die casting are of two types: low pressure die casting and high pressure die casting. Fourth one is special casting process, in which there is lost wax casting, ceramic shell molding, evaporative pattern casting and centrifugal casting.